guys, welcome back to my channel. So I actually have a lot to catch up with, okay? And in this November I have not filmed any video. Like, guys, I think I remember filming a video on the 2nd of November, but ever since then I haven't filmed another video. It has been so hectic for me. The week has been so I don't know how to describe it, but let's just say that I need to catch up with you guys. I have a lot to film and I have a lot to pick up myself and continue creating content for you guys. So the ones you guys are watching are my old ones that I filmed in October. So throughout this November I haven't filmed any content, so, and I know that you guys missed my vlog. So here in my last vlog I mentioned to you guys that I bought these eyelashes here, this particular one here, and it happens that is a 13mm right here, and which I didn't know why, and I don't know where the problem came from. So I have to contact the seller, and she sent me this one here. So that's right here. I received it, I think last 2 weeks. I received it last 2 weeks, but I can't actually remember the date. But I just received it and put it in the wardrobe, so I haven't opened it. So I decided today that I have picked up myself. Let me just unbox it, because as you guys can see, I'm not wearing any lashes on my face, so which is not proper. So here is the 16mm here. Over here you will see the 16mm here, and I think this one is longer than this. Not I think, because this is 13 and this is 16. So you guys see the difference. The 13, I have fixed the 2 lines of the 13, because the one I removed, which lasted for me, because whenever I fix this, it actually lasts for me for 2 weeks, okay? So after that 2 weeks, then I will start, it will start falling and the gum will start begumming. So yeah, I'm going to freeze this 16, but first off I'll put 13 in the middle, then 16 at the end. So I think that's basically how I want to do it, but I'll do it immediately so that I'll go and pick my kids from school, because I think this is to 1. In the next half an hour or so they will be back. So this is how the inside looks like. It's so cute. If you guys look at it, you'll see that it's so cute, so beautiful though. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm going to be doing. I have my things that I want to use and fix it immediately. So if you haven't seen my video where I fix my lashes, kindly check my other videos, okay? You will definitely see them, and yeah, that's it. I'll chat you guys as soon as I finish fixing the lashes. Hey guys, I've finished fixing my lashes, and I went ahead to shape the brows, okay? Just finished doing that. And before, when I finished fixing the lashes, I ran quickly to pick the kids. Okay, does that make sense? I ran quickly to pick the kids. I think my lashes are good this way. Okay. And again, it looks very full. It looks very full, and I'll try to space it, make it look scanty. I think I'm fine like this. Actually, when I see people who have full lashes, I feel like I need it, but the very moment that I have it on me, I feel like I don't like it again. Honestly, I don't like it. Anyway, it's good. To me, full lashes is just like, it's too much. Does that make sense? I feel like it's too much to me. Like, guys, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm fucking hungry. I want to quickly go and look for something to eat, because I'm fainting. And I'll catch you guys later. But before I go, let me quickly show you guys the closure of the eyes. This is how the eyes look like. Okay, and over here we have this side too. And again, this is the 16 millimeter. This is the lashes that I like, and it's very, very long. Okay, so by men looking, you guys will see that is good. So I'm not going to edit this video. You guys are going to watch it live and direct from the camera. Okay, no color grading, no smoothing. I don't use that. I've said this 100 times. Like, anyways, I think I need to add one more here to make it full like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, I want to quickly look for something to eat because I'm fainting, I'm hungry. Hi, wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. So let's do unboxing. Okay, so today I'm gonna be unboxing my order from SHEIN. Actually, I have 2-pack that should be coming from SHEIN, but because this one first arrived, so it's remaining 1 pack again that I'm also going to be unboxing here. It's a pack that I got during the what did they call it again, during the Black Friday period. Yeah, during the Black Friday. So here I'm going to show you guys what I got for Black Friday. I actually got this on my Black Friday. So this is a top. Okay, I love this top so much. It's so cute. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. I got it too. This is the pink one, and I got the blue type mixed with pink as well. And you guys know during the Black Friday they have so many discounts. Like, they did a lot of discounts. This is the first set that just arrived. Then I'm gonna show you guys also the second set whenever it arrives. So I also got this right here, but these ones that I'm showing you guys are tops. Okay, I got this too. So cute, right? Oh my god, I really missed so much in Black Friday because I wish that I have made a lot of money. I would have purchased a lot of things on Black Friday. Like, guys, it was amazing. Then again I got this here. So this one right here is good, but this is also top. Yeah, this is top. And then the final one inside the bag is this one here. This is short hand. They are short hands. Oh my god, like, I am so excited. Like, this is my very first time in Black Friday, like, to make an order during Black Friday. So I ordered it, and I'm so excited because this came quickly. There are other packs that will still come. Okay, then when that one comes, then I'm going to show you with you guys too about the things I got. I'm going to share with you guys the things that I got on my Black Friday. Hey guys, so today, welcome to the second unboxing. And yeah, 2 days ago I unboxed my clothes that I got for the Black Friday. Okay, so I got it during the Black Friday. So I told you guys that the first bag was that one, and this here is the second bag. Let me show you. Ta-da! So if you guys look here, you will see that this bag here is bigger than the first one that I just unboxed. And yeah, the delivery man just delivered it for me now. I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait to open it to show you guys what is inside this. So they are the purchases that I made during the Black Friday, and I'm so happy. But you guys know what happened. The first 2 clothes that I showed you guys in the other video, they ended up not being my size, so I have to give it to my kids. it was as if I bought it for my kids. Like the two clothes were size M. All the clothes that I bought, because I always wear M on top, then trousers are S. So the two wasn't my size. I was like, what? And when my kids tested the clothes, I was like, did I made this order for children? I went back again to check the size that I bought, and it was size M. I was so surprised. It fits them so much. It was as if I bought it for them. I don't know what to do again. So let me just import this here to share with you guys what we have going on. So, and this first one here, this is jacket. This one is jacket. Yeah, I think maybe the big jacket also. I bought jacket because you know the winter is here, and this is the quality because it's dark. You guys can't actually see it. So this is how the jacket is. So this is the quality of the jacket. I like a jacket like this because when you wear it, you won't feel cold. That is how it looks like inside. And then the next one, we have this. I think this one is also black. Let me show you guys. It's another kind of jacket. Maybe I think this particular one is the short one. They're the same thing, but the difference here is that one is long, one passes the bum, then the other one is short to arrive here. Because I always like to wear short jackets. Yeah, I'm a fan of short jackets. And the next one is that one mistake that I did that I didn't know was I purchased this top here. And you guys know I showed you guys this color in the first video, so I didn't know that I got it, but there is two short hand and one long. I think this is the short one here, which is this. So the next one is this here. I got this here because it's a flower. It has a flower things, and I really like it. So it's long sleeve, it's turtleneck because of the winter. Because if you don't do it, the cold will enter your body. And I also got this one here. But now this material is like this. This material is like this. It's like this. So it will be good for winter. And I also got this. I don't know why I ended up liking this, but this particular one is the long one. The long sleeve, if that's the right word. So, but this is the color. See the color here? It is so beautiful. I can't wait to try them on. And again, I got this. So I actually got this here. Like guys, this is, I'm afraid because this is complete. Let me show you guys. This is complete. But the reason for my fear is that I don't know if it's going to size me because I choose size X. This is the quality here. I choose the size S of this one, and the top is very short. It hangs here, and the trouser. Okay, so I have to wear something long, which is something like singlet, before wearing this one. So you can't just open your tummy like that because you know it's not proper. So, and the last one we have here is this one. I bought this one too. This is also long sleeve. Let me show you guys the quality of the material. So this is actually how the material looks like. You see how it looks like? It's so cute, it's so gorgeous, and it will last. I just pray that all these things are my size, because if they are not my size, guys, I'm going to be so mad at myself. So these are the things that are inside the bag, and I'm so excited that I was able to share it with you guys. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching.